A high-level delegation led by Lieutenant General Yasar Kadioglu, Chief of Intelligence Turkish General Staff, called on Air Chief Marshal Zaheer Ahmed Sidhu, Chief of the Air Staff Pakistan Air Force, during his visit to Air Headquarters Islamabad. The meeting covered a wide array of matters related to geostrategic situation, progress of current joint ventures, and military collaboration aimed at bolstering the existing professional cooperation in the realms of modern warfare technologies and training. During the meeting, Chief of the Air Staff emphasized the shared values and aspirations that form the foundation of the deep-rooted bond of brotherhood between Pakistan and Turkiye. He also expressed his unwavering commitment to enhance the existing bilateral ties in the fields of counter terrorism, satellite programs, and imagery intelligence aimed at enhancing operational readiness. The Air Chief further highlighted the active role played by PF pilots in nursery to tactical level training of Turkish aircrew and reiterated his commitment to provide training and capacity building assistance to the Turkish Air Force. Both commanders deliberated on expanding and refining training programs for Turkish cadets at PF training institutions and emphasized the need to modernize the academy training paradigm by incorporating advanced simulation technologies, AI-based learning modules, and joint exercises to foster interoperability. Lieutenant General Yasar Kadioglu expressed his sincere gratitude for the warm hospitality extended to him, underscoring the long-standing bond of brotherhood between Pakistan and Turkiye. He acknowledged the remarkable strides made by Pakistan Air Force in the realm of indigenous capability development and expressed keen interest in expanding collaboration, particularly in the fields of intelligence, cybersecurity, and defense production. Recognizing the evolving nature of modern warfare, the two commanders also discussed deepening cooperation in critical domains of training collaboration in ISR, space, and anti-space programs. The visit of Chief of Intelligence, Turkish General Staff to Air Headquarters Islamabad signifies a resolute commitment of the two brotherly countries to reinforce their strategic partnership, fostering collaboration and promoting robust relations between armed forces of the two countries.